It's 6 o'clock. I'm at the visitor center parking lot in Zion. Yeah, so you can't get to the trailhead super early like I normally like to do. So you have to take shuttles pretty much everywhere in the park. So the earliest you can get them is if you're inside the park, because the shuttles inside the park start at 7. And the shuttles outside the park start at 8. So I drove into the park. I'm here an hour early, so hopefully I get a spot on the first shuttle, and we'll head up to the trailhead in not too long, and hopefully the rain will stop. It looks like there's some, I see some breaks in the clouds over there, so and that's the way I'm going, so maybe, we'll see. It's supposed to be cloudy with chance of rain pretty much all day, so we'll see how it goes, and if the sketchy part's slippery, we may not be able to do it today, but we'll give it a whirl and assess once we get up there. So, alright, cool. Excited for this one. This is another one off the bucket list.
I tasted fire, I'm ready to come alive. I can't just shut it up and fake that I'm alright. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife. I'll let it burn the way the sunlight burns my skin. The way I feel inside, the way the day begins. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the other side. I'm ready now, I'm ready now. 'Cause every day the world is made a chance to change, but I feel the same. And I wonder why would I wait till I die to come alive. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife. Yeah, I still believe we can live forever. You and I will begin forever now. Forever now. Forever. I still believe in us together. You and I, we're here together now. Forever now. Forever now. Or never now. 'Cause every day the world is made a chance to change, but I feel the same. And I wonder why would I wait till I die to come alive. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife. Every day a choice is made. Every day I choose my fate. And I wonder why would I wait till I die to come alive. To come alive. Every day, every day, every day I still feel the same. And I wonder why would I wait till I die to come alive. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife. I'm ready now, I'm ready now, I'm ready now, I'm ready. I'm ready now, I'm not waiting for the afterlife. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm stoked. That's going to be a good one. My wife's going to be so excited she's not with me. She's like, yeah, that was a good call.